Hi Joe, where are we at today?
We're at the RAAFA Aviation Museum in Cobi.
And what are we doing today? What are we going to build now?
Triplane.
It had a top speed of 115 miles an hour with a 110 horsepower engine. And it was armed with two 7.92 millimeter machine guns. Now Joe, do you know what a triplane means?
That means 3 wings.
It's got 3 wings, so because it had 3 wings, it gave a lot of lift and it was a very maneuverable fighter for the Germans. And the kit we have today is of who?
It's of
Baron Manfred von Richtofen.
Yeah.
What was his nickname?
the Red Baron.
Why'd they call him the Red Baron, do you know?
Because the plane was red.
He was red and he was a baron. Do you know what country he was from?
Germany.
Germany. And how many victories did he have?
80.
80, that's right. And right here, we have a section to him in the museum. And there's a picture of him.
And this is
And the triplane.
And this is when he died.
Over here is his funeral procession. Now, Joe, there was a rumor that Captain Roy Brown of the Sopwith Camel shot him down, but who do you think really shot him down?
This Australian gunning anti-aircraft gun.
That's right, and we think, come on over here. We have a swatch of the real Red Baron's aircraft right here, because in the old days they made their planes out of fabric. So when the gunner shot down the Red Baron's triplane, they went over and they cut a piece out off of the plane and they preserved it in this plaque. Let me go down this way. There you go.
So here's the completed model box.
All right, we'll open it up and sort all the pieces.
Aha, yeah. Can you open this one? Oh my gosh, look. He's got a medal on him, Dad.
That's a medal, huh?
Yeah. So these are German
Ace.
ace.
He was their ace of aces. That means he was their top scoring ace.
Hey Dad, look, he's got a smiley face. Because he's happy because he's got lots of victories. He's a tail dragger.
He was a tail dragger as well, that's right. Pretty much all the planes and tail draggers. Now we're just going to sort them a bit. All the reds and the grays.
Dad, look, I put big stone Red Baron together.
Oh, you did. That's pretty cool. That's good. You can get up and show up close up to the camera.
Here.
You can get close up.
This is Victor Red Baron. I can't say the whole name, so I just...
Can you help me sort these a bit? All the black.
Oh, I recognize this bit from the Red Baron. I recognize it.
It's pretty good, I think.
There's not much pieces. Oh, it's the same old pieces would start with camel.
Okay, let's do step 1. I think you might have.
Found it.
Yeah, it says you need one of these big fat bricks. Red bricks. Can you find that big fat red brick?
Big fat one.
Big fit. Oh yeah, you got it. Yes, lovely.
I am not a surfer. I'm lightning game. Okay, I'll leave you next.
Slow motion. Find this piece that goes right now. Yeah, right here.
Good.
And black. Single piece goes right.
We're almost finished, Dad. See, we're doing it in record time like a team.
Yeah, try. Now can you find this piece to go in the back?
That's it.
No. Can you find that piece that goes in the back? That should be it.
Yeah.
Good job. Looks looking good. Machine guns.
Machine guns, we did.
You know how to do the machine guns?
Yes. What?
Okay.
You know what he means?
Thank you, Katsi. That's all.
Good
Alright, the top wing, I think.
Yeah.
Let's get this done. Let's get crafting.
Who wrecked my airplane?
Okay.
There.
Almost. Now I can do the wheels, I think, right? Want to put the red baron in?
See? There he is.
Okay, want to hold it up to the real red baron. Dun, 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 dun. There's a real Red Baron's airplane. There's model. And so that's the completed model, Joe, right? And what can it do? Yeah, the propellers can spin, ailerons move, the wheels spin too.
And we got something else to show you.
What do you got to show me? What's on the...
It's
What do you got to show us?
Blue Max medal.
Whoa, does he got the Blue Max medal?
Yeah, and it's right over here.
Oh, it's right there. That was the highest award for the German pilots back then.
Mm-hmm.
For military merit. Okay. You might have a picture of it over here. So both the Red Baron and his brother wore the Blue Max. Okay, see you, Joe. So Joe, where can you get these Cobi triplanes?
At the Aviation Heritage Museum.
Yeah, look, there's one right there on the shelf.
Yeah.
And they got a few of the kits. Got a Spitfire and a Hurricane. And it looks like a Kitty Hawk. Oh, that's cool. With the shark mouth.
And the Zero.
Yeah, they got a Zero.
And that's about it.
That's
So-
it for the Cobis right now. They just sold a Wellington, right?
Yeah, the Wellington. That was the big one.
That was a big one.
So
That's
I
the big one we
order
have
some
to do.
more Because there's no room for that.
Yep.
We have to order another one. So I think that's pretty much it. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.